Clap your hands and turn the fireplace on. Turn around. Clap loud. Clap. Good job.
Yay! Clap 3 times.
You want to clap again and turn it off?
Clap twice.
Good.
Turn the lights off.
Don't know how.
You don't know how?
Hi, Mercy.
Clap your hands and the lights will go off.
Wow.
Clap louder.
They won't go
I'm
off.
doing both of them at the
They.
same time.
Oh, Liz, you made it dark in here.
My shoes light up.
Oh.